welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Today I thought we're going to make super easy art on our phone, abstract, minimalistic art on our phone with an app called Pages. If you're interested, stay tuned. There is a tutorial already on my channel. You can watch how I explain more in detail how to use this app, but let's just get right into it. Okay, we're just going to use the watercolor brush, and I decided to use yellows, grays, black, and a little bit of white. These are kind of the hot colors, the new season apparently. And I'm using the watercolor or paint brush, then the other different kind of brushes. I'm just going to play around with the simple kind of hard and soft lines. This particular design I'm going to actually redo and do a new one because the other ones kind of came out in a different sort of way and it didn't really fit together. So this, we're going to make 3 designs which you can save on your iPad, on your cloud or whatever. Then you can go into Canva or another design app you like to use. Make sure it's scaled to a certain size, whatever size you want to print it out. I do print it at home, yeah, if you have a good printer, or just give it to a print on demand, like Printful or whatever company, or go to Walmart and print it out there. And yeah, and you can put it in frames and have some really cool modern art on your wall that was super cheap to make and didn't cost you much. So yeah, enjoy the video and you can just see which tools I used. Like I said, go and watch that other tutorial if you want to, so you can see more in detail what tools I use and how to use them, but this is how I do it. You open up the app, so there you go, here we go again. You use that brush, and you can adjust the colors as you can see. Use gray and yellow. Then I tried red, but then I didn't like that. That was too, anyway, it wasn't really in this color scheme I was looking for. So a little darker. So I always start with the base. So I'm trying to make some shapes. Again, doesn't really matter. It's up to you. This is just my way of doing it. And then I just try to introduce some shapes and some other designs on top with a thinner brush or thinner. I think this one is, I'm not sure if that was the ink one or the pen one of those. You can adjust the brush thickness, so then thicker and thinner strokes, so you can figure out how to, just what you're after. It's trial and error if I do this. I don't like to plan too much ahead. This is the advantage of digital art. You can just with one swipe just delete the whole thing and start all over again. Okay, so you save them on your phone. Make sure you put them in the right. I always put it in just pictures, easiest. And then I edit them. Just make sure they're vertical. I like them up. Outside, up to you, because they always come out horizontal in this app. And then I put them in the mock-up picture. If you guys are interested in seeing how I did the mock-up, please let me know in the comments and I'll make another video. There you have them, all three snapped together. Okay guys, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. It really helps with the algorithm. I need some more subscribers to make more videos. And I will link that other video up there again so you can see how to use this app more in detail. See you in the next one.